science. We are in signs of an impending landslides, right? So here, next one, changes in water sources in the lower area of slopes, where the slopes are there. So in the lower area, this is the lower area. So in this area, if the water sources are changed, that means the water, right, the level of water level is decreased or increased instantly. So with that we can understand they are going to be a kind of landslide. Okay, so that is we call changes. All right. And the next one, changes in the behavioral patterns of certain animals. So certain animals are there, not all the animals. Certain animals are there. They can expose, they can express. They are going to be a kind of landslide. So the patterns of the animals will be changed. So watching the patterns of the animals, we can understand. Yes, they are going to be some. They are going to be a landslide. So children, those people, those who are living around these areas where the landslides occur constantly, so these area people, they have this kind of knowledge regarding the landslides and the signs. They can understand, they can identify the signs, and they understand. So they are going to be they, you know, they realize they are going to be a landslide, so they have that knowledge. Okay, and the next one, right? The next one, steps taken to minimize the hazard of landslide. So இது வந்து நான் முன்னுக்கு பார்த்தது புள்ளேல் என்னென்றால் இது சாரி, இது வந்து நான் பார்த்தது வந்து சயின்ஸ். அதாவது என்ன அறிகுறிகள் வரும் beforehand of this one, landslide. The next one, we learn how can we minimize. How can we minimize it? Right? What are the steps that can be taken to minimize the hazard? Okay, so anyhow, right, however, we have to think, we have to, we have to manipulate into several kinds of activities to mitigate the situation of landslide. We have to mitigate it. So to mitigate the landslides, to minimize the, the bad effects of landslides, there may be some steps, right? The first one is protection of the vegetation covers on lands with slopes. So on slopes, the vegetation covers are there. So what the duty of people around the area is, they have to protect them. They should not remove. They should not remove the vegetation cover on land, on slopes. Okay, next one, not obstructing the natural drainage. So the natural drainage is there. So it is natural. No? The natural waterways are there. They are natural. We should not make any changes in that natural drainage, right? It should be, right? It should be in itself, right? We should not make any changes. So not obstructing. If we have to build some kinds of, if we have to, construct buildings, they have to find out whether the natural waterways are there on slopes, and they should not obstruct it. They have to make that natural waterways in its way, and they have to make the buildings closer to it. Okay, next one, following scientific instructions when using lands with slopes. So scientific instructions mean, the people are there, they have the knowledge of construction, right? The construction, that parties are there, no, constructing bodies are there, no, in Sri Lanka. So when they construct buildings, they have that knowledge how to use this land, where to construct buildings, and how to construct, and the way of construction they know. So they have to follow scientific instructions. Okay, the next one, not building reservoir in elevated areas. Elevated areas means something like this area, உயர்ந்த இடங்கள்ல, right? மலைப்பாங்கான இடங்கள்ல, உயர்வான நிலங்கள்ல வந்து not building reservoirs. Reservoirs mean நீர்த்தேக்கங்களை அமைக்க கூடாது, right? For example, you should understand, you can understand recently, in recent past, we have seen a kind of, pit or some kind of, a kind of pit, right? That formed in the, you know, the center of a road in Kotmala area. So Kotmala is a reservoir. Kotmala is a reservoir. So they are, so it may be the effect of that construction of reservoir on hilly areas, right? So Kotmala Dam, Kotmala Reservoir is there in the hilly area now. So that's what the pits are created. The pits are kulihal, right? திடீரென உருவாகும், form ஆகும். So it may be the problem. Next one, not constructing buildings in the lands with steep slopes. Okay, so the people, those who are living around the hilly areas, if they have to build buildings, if they have to construct buildings, they should not select steep slope. This is steep slope. They should not select steep slope, right? Instead of steep slope, they can select something kinds of like this gentle slope. Okay, so they have to avoid all these activities. They have to protect, they have to do. They should not do this one. They have to do this one. They should not do all these two. Okay, so there are some kinds of, you know, steps taken to minimize the hazard. Okay, these are the things that we have learned today. So I think you might you have get enough clarification, pretty clear the lesson. So now children, now tell me, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
இருக்கிறோம் teacher.
Okay. Okay, இருக்கிறீங்க. இப்ப நான் பாப்போம். Pulel, now tell me, what is one second. Yes, Jamhar, you say, what is landslide? Jamhar, three districts, right? Three districts, they face, right? They frequently face landslides. Sajid, they are Kalutara, Gaul, Ratnapuram, and also sometimes, you know, Badula, mostly Badula also, right? Badula comes, okay? So all these are four areas. So frequently they are having landslides. We can understand, we can see, we can watch, right? News, right? So news, if we watch news, so they say these districts, they have these kinds of natural disaster, right? Especially this landslide, right? And then next one, we learned the reasons, right? There are two reasons. I explained you two reasons, natural reasons. Yes, now Fauzan, can you say two natural reasons? Fauzan and Fauzan, Ifas, are you there?
Occurrence of tremors.
Heavy rainfall.
Occurrence of tremors, right? Special சொல்லணும்னா
Heavy
occurrence of tremors.
Steep slopes.
Rainfalls.
Steep slopes ல என்னன்னு சொன்னீங்க? யார் சொன்னது steep slope ல என்னன்னு? Right. And then you, Musli Ahmad, can you say two human activities? They cause landslide. Musli, can you say two human activities? Please respond.
Slope.
Very good.
Clearing the forest
Next
on slope.
Very good. Very good. Good. Then now Arif. Arif, you should say two signs of landslide. Two signs of landslides. Landslides வாரதுக்கு முன்னுக்கு காணப்படக்கூடிய அறிகுறிகள் ரெண்டு. Yes,
சத்தம் கேக்கும்
Arif.
teacher.
உமா?
சத்தம் கேக்கும்.
அண்ணா. நான் சொன்னேன் சத்தம் கேட்குமுண்டு. Did I teach you that beforehand of landslide that we hear sound, any noise, No, I didn't teach you like that. Arif, you should be vigilant. During the lesson, you should be vigilant. Right? Arif Mahan, can you understand? Mubarak, inclination and a saridal. Inclination of lamp post, then telephone post, right? Instantly. Thidirana vilirudal, right? Then now right sala. Can you say two, right? That two activities that can be taken, two steps, measures that can be taken to minimize landslide. Right, Salah. Right, Salah.
Crops.
Huh? Right,
Planting
Salah.
the crops. Vegetation crops.
So not removing the vegetation crops on slopes. Slopes like vegetation cover remove பண்ணக்கூடாது. Where not obstructing natural
Not
waterways.
natural drainage.
Natural drainage. Okay. Can you say another?
Not building reservoir in elevated areas.
Very good. Not building reservoir in elevated areas. Very good, children. So I think, Jamar, right. So I think you have understood the lesson now. So if you have, okay, if you have any doubts beforehand, you should say, I will say, I have sent that